So here is what we're going to be making today. I'm going to show you how to set up your two vanishing points and how to draw this step by step. So get your paper out and a ruler out and an eraser for those construction lines, and let's get started. Step 1, you want to put a vanishing point on the outer edges of your paper. I labeled them VP here so that you know what I'm doing. And if you want, you can put a horizon line on here. And for the sake of understanding, I'll write that out. First step is to draw your very first vertical line. Vertical line is perpendicular or 90 degrees from your horizon line. So make your first line below the horizon line. Step 2 is take the vertical line and go back to the vanishing point in both directions. Make sure that you go back to the VP and that you end on the very same spot on those dots. Don't make a great big dot. Step 3 is creating vertical lines to show how wide it is. Make sure that these lines are parallel to the very first line that you drew, and they are contained within step 2. Step 4 is to take the top of those vertical lines, being that it looks like there's kind of an arrow shape here, that'll give you the indication. If you're doing a box that is up in the air, your arrow is this way, so you're going to the bottom of those vertical lines. So let me show you in this manner. So top of the vertical line, which is step 3, step 4 goes to the vanishing point, which is an orthogonal line, which recedes back to the vanishing point. Again, making sure I'm going back to the same points and not in a wide area. So now we have a 3D box. One important thing that you should notice is that steps 1 and 3 are always vertical and parallel lines, and steps 2 and 4 are always orthogonal lines that always go back to the vanishing point. Let's take a look. Step 1, vertical. Step 2 is orthogonal lines. Step 3 is a vertical line that's parallel to the first line, and then step 4 goes back to the vanishing point as an orthogonal line. So keep that in mind and you will never mess up your 2-point